friends, thank you for joining me. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you how to convert numbers from base 10 to base 2 using fingers. That is why I drew my fingers here on the board. Very important, how can we use this concept to convert numbers from base 10 to base 2? Very important, you realize that the term here is 16 followed by 8, 4, 2, 1. The arrangement has to be in this order. Very important. Okay? Let's look at how we can convert 2 to base 2. That's 2 in base 10 to base 2 using our finger. Very important. Okay? If you look at it, 2 is this finger. It means we'll fold the other fingers like this. This 2 becomes 1 now. Then these other fingers before this 2 will be 0. We'll have 0, 0, then 1. We don't need these zeros before 1. Then we have zeros here. So it will be 1, 0. So it means 2 in base 10 to base 2 will be 1, 1, 1, 0 in base 2. What about 3? We want to convert 3 in base 10 to base 2. We don't have 3 here, but when we say 1 plus 2 is 3. So it means we'll fold these other fingers and leave this 1 and this 1. So this become 1, 1. These other fingers before this 1 will be 0. So we have 1, 1. So it means 3 in base 10 to base 2 will be 1, 1. This finger means 1, 1. This 0 before this 1 here will be, we don't need it. So it will be 1, 1. So 3 in base 2 from base 10 is 1, 1 in base 2. What about 4? You realize that 4 is in the middle here. So we fold these other fingers, mean this become 1. This other fingers before this 4 here, it will be 0, but we don't need this. So we have 0, 0 here because of these 2 and 1. So we have 1, 0, 0. So it will be 1, 0, 0 in base 2. What about 5? We don't have 5 here, but 1 plus 4 is 5. It means we'll fold this other finger and leave this. As I said, this will be 0. We don't need this 0 before this 1. So we have 1, then this is 0, 1. Okay, so it will be 1, 0, 1 in base 2. What about 6? We don't have 6 here, but 2 plus 4 is 6. It means we'll leave these fingers now and fold the remaining. It means this 0, 0 before this 1, we don't need it, but we'll have 1, 1, then 0. So it will be 1, 1, 0 in base 2. Very interesting. What about 7? We don't have 7 here, but if you observe critically, 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. So it means we'll fold this first, these 2 fingers, then leave this one, and we don't need these zeros now. So it will be 1, 1, 1. Okay, so it will be 1, 1, 1 in base 2. Very important. What about 8? We have 8 standing here. So it means we'll fold the other fingers now and leave this, only this 8. This 0 before 8, we don't need it. But these zeros after this 1 here, we need it. So it will be 1, 0, 0, 0. So it will be 1, 0, 0, 0 in base 2. Very important. So if truly you have been following, drop your answer in the comment section to this 9 in base 10 to base 2, to this 10 in base 10 to base 2. Thank you for watching. Please drop your answer in the comment section to this 2. And let's see. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths and further maths adventures. Thank you for watching.